And look guys, I'm low on gas. It's not traffic. By the way, how you guys like this setup? Should I do it more often? Let me know. I think I'm gonna go take the video first for an Instagram reel and get gas after once I'm done. On the Sunday. I'll pass by. Let me see if I could take the video real quick. It's about like a 10-second video for reel. So if you guys want to follow me, my Instagram is M3J _. Man, this building is nice though. God damn. I don't know if you guys could see it, but oh, maybe I can. I don't know. I'll do it real quick though. See if I can do it real quick. It is a bus stop too. Oh, damn, there's a bus coming as well. Put my emergency light on. Please don't stop. I can do it real quick. Here's the video. It's about like a 10-second video. I'm gonna post it on my IG M3J _. This way. Yeah, it's a good day outside. It's about like 70 degrees in LA. We'll take the daily. I'm gonna go to this car meet. Of course, the daily needs some gas as well. I'm almost low on gas. Like, what the hell, man? Mileage on my daily though. Sheesh, 167,000 miles. That's a lot. .25 p.m. 11 miles. That's like around the mountains, bro. I think they're gonna go for a canyon drive or something. I don't think I'm gonna go. I'm just probably just gonna go for the meet. See what kind of car shows up.
Turn left onto.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside, man. I wish every day there's no traffic. This is Sunday afternoon already. It's already 2 p.m. And look at this. It's like no traffic at all. But during the weekdays, god damn, like when you go up to like 7 p.m. it's so traffic. Like you don't even want to go out or drive or anywhere until like around like 8 p.m. I think. That's a badass Jeep. I need one. Pink GTR. Sick. Man, that was hard. all the Beamers showed up. Look at this lineup of Beamers, bro. Rev it! Oh, this color is badass. Got fresh kicks right here. Look at this Lambo SVJ though. That shit look hard. This car, look at got a damage in the right fender. Hard. CTSV. Sick ass engine bay. Clean ass Evo. Look at this lineup though. Damn. PQ performance. That color looks sick though. This one is hard. Damn. I like that color. Look at that dog though. He's driving. CL1. Look at this license plate though. State road. That's sick. This is clean. The Benz group pulled up.